In a sleek design and with sophisticated touch controls, this sharp electric induction hob lets you cook in style. CookBridge combines two induction zones to create an extra large zone. This extra large zone is perfect when you're cooking with big pots and pans. The sliding controls offer intuitive and seamless control over cooking. Simply drag your finger across the panel and the power level is easily adjusted. With super quick heat-up times, you can reach maximum power within seconds, reducing cooking times so you can quickly and easily prepare mouth-watering meals. With intuitive touch controls, this sharp electric induction hob is perfect for quickly heating meals or sides.